All right, everybody, it is time for some Better Home, and spring is here, and that means it's time for some seasonal updates and quick household makeovers. Our lifestyle and design expert, Kelly Edwards, is on hand to give her latest tips and tricks to get the home in order. Kelly, you're surrounded by stuff. What do you got?
I have something for every room in your house, including the outside. So let's first start with the living room. Now, I absolutely love double duty products. Case in point, a television that when it's on, it looks like a TV. And then when it's off, it looks like a piece of art. This is called the Frame by Samsung. Absolutely love it. Great way to personalize your home decor. They have a growing library of over 1,400 pieces in their art store. And they also have recommendations from their AI-based auto curation technology. Now, the frame is extra slim. So basically, it's the same depth as a picture frame. And this year, they're even letting you make your own TV by mixing and matching the mounting and bevel options for the frame. Now, they've also introduced My Shelf, which is a new accessory that allows you to actually be really creative with the wall around your television. No more black boxes on the wall. The shelf actually will attach to a 55, 65, or 75-inch television. It also comes in 4 colors. You can go to Samsung.com. Now, if you're going to go outside and you're into gardening like I am, I love to work with Burpee. They are the national leader in home gardening. And this year they launched for the first time their 2021 Burpee Garden Cast to inspire gardeners as they design and plant their gardens this season. Now, one of the trends is actually the World Herb Garden, including these beautiful herbs that are super easy to grow like cilantro, dill, lemongrass. One thing it does is satisfies our wanderlust for travel, because all these herbs can be in our backyard, but then we can bring them inside our house and put them into dishes that really can give us that international flair. I absolutely love it. You can put them in pots, put them on your countertop, and then they're within reach when you need them, and they look and smell fantastic. They also have their other trend called Garden of Joy, really utilizing these bright, beautiful flowers that make us happy. More importantly, pansies, violas, they have these cheerful faces and eyes, which I love. You can plant a variety of colors in your garden and then put them into monochromatic bouquets, put them around your house. For instance, maybe it's just pinks in the bedroom, whereas you can go with the bright colors in your kitchen. For more information about all their 5 trends, you can go to burpee.com/gardencast, or you can go to their social media sites. It's Burpee Gardening. Now, in terms of deals and steals, which I absolutely love, before you buy anything, you want to go to slickdeals.net to find the best price. Now, this basically is the leading social shopping platform. The site and the app has over 12 million unique viewers and users who vote and vet the best deals, so you know you're actually getting a good price. You could search for deals, discover new products, and get reviews from a community of savvy shoppers. It's basically like having 12 million friends, and you all are sharing the very best deals on the site. You can also set a deal alert to notify you when a deal that matches your criteria actually gets posted to the site. That's slickdeals.net. Now, in today's day and age, it's important to keep everything sanitized and clean. That includes your doorknobs, your light switches, things like that. Microban is actually a line of antibacterial cleaning products that actually keeps killing bacteria on surfaces for up to 24 hours when used as directed. So touch after touch doesn't give up. It's actually powered by a multi-layer protective shield. It kills the bacteria for 24 hours. You spray, you walk away, no wiping required. Absolutely love it. Last but not least, thinking of cleaning, we need that great toothbrush. You no longer have to put the toothbrush in your cabinet because it looks so great. You can leave it out. Oral-B Click is something you should definitely have on hand. Not only does it come in black, it comes in matte black, chrome black, and chrome white, but now it's available in 3 premium new colors: rose gold, Alaska blue, and aqua. And of course, it has this magnetic brush holder, so you can basically stick it to any surface. Still gives you that amazingly refreshing manual clean. It has X-shaped bristles that get into your teeth, so basically it fights away that plaque, and of course it keeps up with all that superior manual cleaning. Plus, environmentally friendly. It actually has a replaceable brush head that even if you replace your brush head every 3 months, you are saving 60% less plastic than using a regular manual toothbrush. You could buy it at retailers, or you can also go online to oralb.com, and these are all my favorite things to have on hand for the spring.
Kelly Edwards getting us spruced up for spring. Really appreciate these tips and tricks, and I love that magnetic handle right there. Take care, all right? We really appreciate you coming on.
Thank you so much.